All right, we've got a few improvements to the Universal Jig. First up, we've added the manual location, put a washer in here. This is a 3mm washer. The reason we're using a 3mm washer is because it's very close to an 1/8 inch. That gives you kind of a wear surface that you can work up on and just slip into when you're finding your location. Make sure that you measure your washer. Not all washers are going to be the same diameter. Measure that. Then just simply make a project. Mine was 3¼ inches from the back and a 1/2 inch over. And I just made a pocket and then just glued my washer in. The second thing is that I've gotten to using the Universal Jig for almost everything, but I get very tired of constantly having to adjust the nuts. You know, you've got a little project and a wide project. So we found a few things to improve upon there. One are these nuts here. They're split nuts, so they slip over and then they rotate. Whoops. They rotate to make a full nut. Now these are available from Home Depot. They come in a pack of 3 for 9 something for the pack. And these improve things quite a bit, but they often, once this is seated down, these will get locked and you'll need to use a wrench to break them free to be able to remove them. So we've come up with another way of doing this. We just go ahead and get some hose washers here. Take the hose washer, go ahead and slip that over, just walk it back, and then you can use some nylon spacers or even dowel. This is 3/8 dowel. And we're going to go ahead and put a notch in it. And where that notch is, we're going to line up the 2 pieces of the nut, stick that in, and that notch is going to catch that gasket. That way, when we slip it over, we'll go ahead and slip it on this jig here. So we just go ahead, pull that out, slide it down. With that in, the threads are engaged, but if we pull back, we can just slide that down. Then when you go to tighten, you just need to be sure to push on the spacer, whether it's the dowel or the nylon. Push on that as you tighten. That'll keep those threads engaged and allow you to tighten up good on that. Then to remove it, just simply rotate back, slide it to the next position you want. We do need to be sure to continue to use lock washers so that those don't vibrate loose while we're cutting. So here are the changes we've made. I hope you enjoy.